Are you risking your bike's safety with improper bolt tightening? The best torque wrench for bikes ensures accurate torque every time. In this review, we highlight top torque tools, compact designs, and reliable performance. Whether you need a cycling torque wrench or a multi-tool kit, we've reviewed the best options. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best torque wrench for bikes. Let's get started. 1. LEXIVON Bike Torque Wrench, LX191. The LEXIVON Bike Torque Wrench, LX191, feels like a tool built with real riders in mind. From the first use, the solid steel body gives a sense of trust. It handles torque from 2 to 26 Nm, which fits almost every common bike adjustment. Whether you're tightening a stem or adjusting a seat post, it performs with steady accuracy. The kit includes 15 pieces, covering most Allen and Torx needs. That saves time and avoids extra purchases later. The storage case keeps things simple and tidy. You can carry it or store it without hassle. The price of the LEXIVON Bike Torque Wrench usually ranges from $40 to $60, which feels fair for the quality offered. Verdict: a practical torque wrench pick for riders who want a strong, easy-to-use torque wrench that delivers steady results without costing too much. 2. YIYEE 50-piece Master Bike Torque Wrench Set. The YIYEE 50-piece torque wrench set is built for riders who want a complete toolkit in one package. It offers a torque range from 1 to 26 Nm, which makes it suitable for both light and heavy bike tasks. You can safely tighten carbon parts or handle stronger bolts on mountain bikes. The 0.1 Nm adjustment gives you fine control, which is helpful when precision really matters. This set includes a wide mix of fits, sockets, and adapters. You won't need to buy extra tools for most repairs. The wrench itself feels sturdy and balanced in hand. The click is firm and easy to notice, so you know exactly when to stop tightening. It also comes with a storage case that keeps everything organized. The price of the YIYEE torque wrench set usually ranges from $50 to $70, which is fair for such a large kit. It suits both beginners and experienced riders. Verdict: a great torque wrench choice for cyclists who want an all-in-one torque wrench kit with strong value and wide tool coverage. 3. Pro Bike Tool Torque Wrench and Screwdriver Set. The Pro Bike Tool Torque Wrench and Screwdriver Set focuses on control and comfort rather than bulk. This kit keeps things simple yet very precise. It offers a torque range from 2.2 to 16.9 Nm, which works best for lighter bike components like stems, seat clamps, and handlebars. If you want carbon parts, this range feels just right. Each included bit fits tightly, reducing any chance of slipping during use. You also get a neat protective case that keeps everything in place. It's easy to carry in a bag or toolbox. The price usually ranges from $60 to $90, reflecting its quality and accuracy. Verdict: a great torque wrench option for riders who want a compact, easy-to-control tool for precise adjustments on high-end or carbon bikes. 4. WAXTRON 1/4 Drive Bike Torque Wrench Set. The WAXTRON 1/4 Drive Bike Torque Wrench Set is a handy option for riders who like to keep tools ready for any situation. It delivers a torque range from 2 to 20 Nm, which fits most daily bike adjustments. From tightening brake levers to setting up a seat post, it handles tasks with steady control. The kit includes 32 bits, offering a wide mix of bits and sockets. You get enough variety to work on different bike types without needing extra tools. The 72-through ratchet feels smooth during use, especially in tight spaces where movement is limited. The click is slightly softer, but still noticeable once you get used to it. One nice touch is the zip pouch. It keeps everything compact and easy to carry, which is great for travel or quick repairs on the go. The price usually falls between $35 and $55, making it a budget-friendly pick. Verdict: a solid torque wrench choice for riders who want a portable, well-rounded torque wrench kit at a lower price. 5. GIREORAN 50 PCS Bike Torque Wrench Set. The GIREORAN 50 PCS Bike Torque Wrench Set brings a full workshop feel into a compact kit. It supports a torque range from 1 to 25 Nm, giving you the flexibility to handle both light and firm tightening jobs. This makes it useful for careful carbon setups as well as stronger MTB components. The wrench features a 72-tooth mechanism that allows small, controlled movements. It works well when space is tight around frames or handlebars. The 0.1 Nm adjustment helps you fine-tune settings with better control. The click is clear, giving you a good signal when you reach the set torque. Inside the case, you'll find a wide mix of bits and sockets. It covers most common bike repairs without needing extra tools. The build feels sturdy, and the grip stays comfortable during longer use. The price usually ranges from $45 to $70, which feels fair for the number of tools included. Verdict: a great fit for riders who want a large, versatile kit that handles both basic fixes and detailed bike adjustments. 6. SS Shovan 1/4 Torque Wrench Set. The SS Shovan 1/4 Torque Wrench Set keeps things simple but effective for everyday bike care. It offers a torque range from 3.3 to 24.7 Nm, which works well for most bolts on road bikes and MTBs. You can handle stems, C-posts, and brake parts without worry. The dual-scale reading is clear, so you can quickly set the right torque. The 72-tooth click mechanism gives smooth movement with small turns. This helps when working in tight spaces around the frame. The click feels sharp and easy to notice, so you know when to stop tightening. The kit includes 33 pieces, giving you a good mix of bits and sockets for different jobs. It comes in a compact case that keeps tools organized and ready to use. The price usually sits between $35 and $60, making it a budget-friendly option. Verdict: a good torque wrench pick for riders who want a simple, reliable torque wrench set for regular bike maintenance without spending too much.
7. YIYEIE 1/4 inch drive bike torque wrench, 27 pieces. The YIYEIE 1/4 inch drive bike torque wrench, 27 pieces, focuses on balance. It gives you enough tools without feeling overloaded. The torque range runs from 1 to 25 Newton meters, which suits both light adjustments and stronger tightening jobs. That makes it useful for road bikes, MTBs, and even e-bikes. The wrench features a fine 0.1 Newton-meter adjustment, helping you dial in precise settings for sensitive parts. The ratchet uses a 72-tooth design, so movement feels smooth and controlled in tight areas. The click is clean and easy to feel, which builds confidence while working. Each bit locks in firmly, reducing slips during use. The 27-piece kit covers common repair needs without adding extra bulk. It also includes a compact case that fits easily into a toolbox or travel bag. The price usually falls between $40 and $65, offering a nice balance of cost and features. Verdict: a smart torque wrench choice for riders who want a compact, accurate, and easy-to-carry torque wrench for regular bike maintenance.
Which best torque wrench for bikes should you buy? If you want simple and reliable, choose the LEXIVON LX191. If you want a full toolkit, choose the YIYEIE 50-piece set. If you want high precision, choose the Pro Bike Tool set. If you want portable and budget-friendly, choose the WAXTRON kit. If you want versatility, choose the GIREORAN set. If you want basic maintenance, choose the SS Shovan set. If you want compact and balanced, choose the YIYEIE 27-piece set.